Get inspired with easy and affordable southern front yard landscaping. Welcome to a world where southern living seamlessly blends with stunning landscapes, creating a front yard that will make your heart skip a beat. With a touch of southern charm and a dash of outdoor aesthetics, this article will take you on a journey through captivating front yard ideas that are sure to leave you smitten. From garden design to curb appeal, we'll explore the best landscaping inspiration to transform your front yard into a picturesque paradise. Embrace the southern charm. When it comes to front yard ideas, southern living is all about embracing the charm that comes with it. Incorporate elements like a white picket fence, hanging flower baskets, and a welcoming porch swing to create a cozy and inviting ambience. Add a touch of nostalgia by incorporating vintage-inspired signage or repurposing old wooden crates as planters. Stunning landscapes for maximum curb appeal. To create stunning landscapes that will make your neighbors green with envy, focus on maximizing curb appeal. Start by selecting a variety of colorful flowers and plants that thrive in your region's climate. Consider creating a focal point with a charming stone pathway leading to your front door, complemented by well-manicured hedges or colorful shrubs. Don't forget to add outdoor lighting to accentuate the beauty of your front yard during the evening hours. Front yard ideas that make you fall in love. Fall in love with your front yard by incorporating unique and eye-catching features. Opt for a water feature, like a small pond or a fountain, to add a touch of tranquility to your outdoor space. Create a cozy seating area with comfortable outdoor furniture, perfect for enjoying a cup of coffee on a lazy Sunday morning. Consider installing a pergola or a gazebo that not only adds visual interest but also provides shade during those hot summer days. Garden design, a symphony of colors. A well-planned garden design can transform your front yard into a visual masterpiece. Opt for a mix of annuals and perennials to ensure a continuous burst of color throughout the year. Create depth and dimension by incorporating different heights and textures, and be sure to pay attention to the color palette. Consider planting vibrant flowers like hydrangeas, roses, and sunflowers, which are not only visually stunning but also evoke a sense of southern beauty. Outdoor aesthetics, creating a welcoming entryway. The entryway sets the tone for your entire front yard, so make it count. Start by painting your front door in a bold and inviting color that complements the overall theme of your front yard. Add a decorative doormat and a wreath that reflects the changing seasons. Consider adding potted plants on either side of the entrance to create a grand and welcoming statement. With these front yard ideas inspired by southern living and stunning landscapes, you can create a captivating outdoor space that will make your heart sing. From embracing the charm of southern living to maximizing curb appeal and incorporating unique features, your front yard can become a picturesque paradise that you'll fall in love with. So, roll up your sleeves, let your creativity flow, and transform your front yard into a true reflection of your personal style and love for outdoor aesthetics. When it comes to creating a beautiful front yard that combines the charm of southern living with stunning landscapes, the possibilities are endless. A well-designed front yard not only enhances the curb appeal of your home but also sets the stage for outdoor aesthetics that will make you fall in love with your surroundings. In this article, we will explore some front yard ideas that will inspire your garden design and leave you with a yard that exudes southern charm and leaves a lasting impression on anyone who visits. Embrace the southern living vibe. To truly capture the essence of Southern living, start by incorporating elements that reflect the region's unique style and character. Consider adding a charming porch swing or a cozy seating area on the front porch, where you can relax and enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. Adding rocking chairs or a classic porch swing will not only provide a spot to unwind but also create a warm and inviting atmosphere that epitomizes Southern charm. Create stunning landscapes. One of the key elements of a front yard that will make you fall in love with it is the landscaping. Take inspiration from the natural beauty of the Southern landscape and incorporate native plants and flowers into your garden design. Consider planting magnolias, azaleas, and crepe myrtles for their vibrant colors and lush foliage. These plants not only add visual appeal but also thrive in the Southern climate, making them low-maintenance choices for your front yard. Play with front yard ideas. To make your front yard truly unique, don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas. Incorporate various textures and heights by combining plants, shrubs, and small trees. Create visual interest by adding a pathway made of natural stones or bricks, leading guests from the sidewalk to your front door. Adding a water feature, such as a small fountain or bird bath, can also add a touch of tranquility to your front yard. pay attention to details. To achieve a front yard that will make you fall in love with it, it's essential to pay attention to the small details. Use decorative borders or edging to define flower beds and pathways, adding structure and visual appeal. Incorporate colorful outdoor lighting to highlight certain features and create a welcoming atmosphere in the evenings. Don't forget to add some comfortable outdoor seating to your front yard, so you can enjoy the fruits of your labor and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. Creating a front yard that combines the charm of Southern living with stunning landscapes is an exciting endeavor that allows you to express your personal style and create a welcoming environment for you and your guests. By incorporating the right front yard ideas, paying attention to details, and embracing the Southern charm, you can transform your front yard into a place that you will fall in love with. So, get inspired by the beauty of the Southern landscape, let your creativity flow, and embark on a journey to create a front yard that will leave a lasting impression. Happy gardening!